Okay, we are back with another Fire Rapid question. This is a question from one of my students. If I made a mistake in the subtitle and already submitted the book for review, what are my options for the design? Now, just a little background. My name is Jenny Hansen Lane. I've published over 600 books, journals, planners, notebooks, workbooks. I have allergies today. In this video, we're talking about what you can change about a book. This has been my experience of crossing six figures with books, okay? So if you made a mistake in the subtitle and you've already submitted the book for review, your options are to email KDP support immediately, support@kdp.com, and let them know that there is an error. Sometimes when it's in review, the content review team will kick it back to draft and you can fix it, okay? Something to remember about the urgency of this is that typically titles and subtitles are kind of forever. So you've got to get in front of it during the review process. A follow-up question is this: can I republish the same content with the slight changes in design under a new title or a pen name? You absolutely can, but you need to think about the customer journey because Amazon will protect the customer at all costs. And if they feel like it's a bad customer experience, they will kick that book back and say, this, we believe, will lead to a disappointing content experience, disappointing customer experience. So instead of hurrying and publishing that book again with the fixes, try to get in front of it with the KDP content review team to be able to fix those errors. It is so important when you're uploading a book to hit save as draft before you hit publish. Go back to the first page. There's 3 pages when you upload. It's the book title, the book details, and then the pricing. On the first page, make sure you save as draft so you can look at that because it is very hard. Amazon will not even really let you edit a pen name, like if you spell your name wrong. So really do your part to get ahead of this, and guess what? You're going to make mistakes, and that's okay. That's part of the journey. That's one of the reasons that I have the starter kit where I walk people through this step by step. If you want a copy of that, just drop the word kit below and I'll send you a link. It is a foundational course that helps you with the formatting and getting your book out there. So this is a great question. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments below. And just remember, if you don't quit, you can't lose. I have a free training coming up where we can join together and chat and learn about the 3 things that I did to cross 6 figures. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.